ये वर्ल्ड की फर्स्ट आइसक्रीम है जो हनी से बनी हुई है।
Strawberry, we have Kashmiri Gulkand, we have
अच्छा।
American nuts, we have chocolate, we have butterscotch. सारे फ्लेवर के पान है साढ़े को.
और यहाँ पे सारी मेयो कलेक्शन रखी हुई है इन्होंने, काफी अच्छा स्प्रेड है।
And this is the in thing.
राइट,
currently.
दिस इज ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू। ये तो हर जगह चलती है ये चीजें।
We also have cola.
कोला,
Again, it's a safer thing to have.
okay, so cola also with wheatgrass. अच्छा, you mix them with, merge them with different flavors. So cola, healthy cola wheatgrass.
So we have boneless cubes,
All right,
curry cut,
okay, curry cut. All right,
and then we have mutton minced.
all right.
Okay, this
Minced mutton, काफी कुछ है इनके पास।
Our fan favorite is actually garlic multigrain bites
Okay.
and cheese tomato bites.
Okay.
We also have mint masti, peri peri, Szechuan, cream and onion.
Wow.
तो हर एक गुजराती के हाथ में थेपला होता है।
Right.
Wherever we go, थेपला goes
Goes
with
with
us.
Right.
So this is cooker popcorn.
Cooker pot.
Yeah, it's called instant popcorn. It is to make popcorn at home
Right.
in a cooker.
Right.
So it comes in different 4-5 flavors: natural,
Alright.
buttery, tomato, peri peri.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हमारे यहाँ 2025 में जो लगा हुआ है मार्च 4 से 8 और आज से स्टार्ट है, फर्स्ट डे है एंड दिस एग्जीबिशन इज ऑल अबाउट फूड। आहार है तो खाना तो होगा ही। अंदर चलते हैं, लोगों से बात करते हैं। काफ़ी सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए हैं जिन्होंने अपने स्टॉल्स लगाए हैं अपने फूड प्रोडक्ट्स को शोकेस करने। क्यों बिजनेस, दिस इज़ अ B2B एग्जीबिशन, तो न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, न्यू डीलर से मिलने, न्यू फ्रेंचाइजीज ढूंढने और भी बहुत कुछ। तो यहाँ पे जो फूड इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है उनके लिए ये वाला एग्जीबिशन मस्ट है। अंदर चलते हैं, लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं और आपको उनसे भी दिखाते हैं, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाते हैं, उनकी डिटेल शेयर करते हैं आपके साथ। और चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो गाइस, अब हम अंदर आ गए और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं, ऑल अबाउट स्पाइसेस, ऑर्गेनिक फूड, प्रोसेस्ड फूड और भी बहुत कुछ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो और सबसे बात करते हैं, आपको भी कराते हैं। सो वी आर हेयर स्टैंडिंग एट हनी मैन और हनी मैन लुधियाने से है कंपनी और इनके पास काफ़ी कुछ नई चीज़ है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम हनी दे हैव हनी बेस्ड आइसक्रीम्स जो कहीं पे भी आते नहीं सुनी होगी। तो इनके बारे में और जानते हैं फ्रॉम
शहजादा से।
मिस्टर शहजाद। तो बताइए हनी मैन के बारे में कुछ।
हनी मैन के बारे में ऐसा है कि हनी मैन इज लाइक ए स्टार्टअप, मीन्स कि हमें हनी का काम करते हुए तो मेरे फादर साहब ने स्टार्ट किया था।
अच्छा।
उनको स्टार्ट किया तो उन्होंने 1982 में स्टार्ट किया था।
ओके।
वो सबसे पहले बी कीपर थे इंडिया के।
अच्छा।
उन्होंने पंजाब एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी से बीहाइव लिए थे, तब उन्होंने वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया। जैसे जैसे वक्त गुजरता गया हमने एक्सपोर्ट करना शुरू किया, डोमेस्टिक में स्टार्ट किया। फिर एक दिन आइडिया आया क्यों ना हम शुगर को हनी के साथ रिप्लेस करें।
राइट।
तो उस सिलसिले में हमने काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट बनाए जिसमें हमारे पास जैसे मतलब हनी के कई प्रोडक्ट हैं, पीनट बटर है, हमारे पास कॉस्मेटिक के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, हमारे पास हनी बेस्ड जैम है, हनी बेस्ड च्यवनप्राश है। और अभी रिसेंटली हमने, अगर आप यहाँ पर आएँ, यहाँ पर आएँ तो ये हमारा एक नया प्रोडक्ट है। ये हनी बेस्ड आइसक्रीम है। ये वर्ल्ड की फर्स्ट आइसक्रीम है जो हनी से बनी हुई है। और मतलब आज के समय में होता क्या है कि हम इसको बोलते हैं गिल्ट फ्री आइसक्रीम, क्योंकि लोग जब भी आइसक्रीम खाते हैं लोगों को लगता है कि वी आर ईटिंग शुगर, क्योंकि उसमें 30% शुगर होती है किसी भी आइसक्रीम के अंदर। तो हमने शुगर को हनी से रिप्लेस कर दी है।
तो वो आप पूरा शेक्स एंड संडेज आइसक्रीम्स हनी से बनाते हैं आप?
हाँ, इसके अंदर सिर्फ हनी बेस्ड आइसक्रीम बनाते, हमारे हनी बेस्ड शेक्स हैं, हमारी हनी बेस्ड सॉसेस हैं।
अच्छा।
ये पूरा कैफेटेरिया का मॉडल है जिसके अंदर हम आने वाले टाइम के अंदर हनी बेस्ड बकलावा, हनी बेस्ड गुलाब जामुन सभी कुछ इसके अंदर लेके आने वाले हैं। पर अभी पिछले कई सालों की मेहनत के बाद हमने हनी बेस्ड आइसक्रीम रेडी कर ली है जो इंडिया में लॉन्चिंग में है। हमारे 10 स्टोर बन चुके हैं, 2 गुड़गांव में है, 2 गुजरात में है, 3 पंजाब में है।
अच्छा।
तो इस तरह आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।
राइट राइट। और ये बहुत हेल्दी और अच्छा न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट आप लेके आ रहे हैं।
ये दुनिया, मैंने जैसे पहले बताया कि दुनिया का पहला कॉन्सेप्ट है।
राइट।
देखो हनी मैंने हमने क्या प्लान किया कि हमने किसी की नकल नहीं करनी, हमने प्रोडक्टों को इनोवेट करना है। और ये प्रोडक्ट आपको कहीं भी वर्ल्ड वाइड नहीं मिलेगा।
राइट राइट। और ये बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है। सो आप ये वाला मतलब आपने स्टॉल इधर लगाया है टू लुक आउट फॉर फ्रेंचाइज एंड टू लुक आउट फॉर डीलर्स?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। देखो सबसे पहले हो जाता है कि अवेयरनेस,
राइट,
क्योंकि लोगों को हनी बेस्ड आइसक्रीम देखी नहीं है। यहाँ पर हम सभी लोगों को टेस्ट ट्रायल करा रहे हैं। लोग वहाँ पर अवेयर हो रहे हैं कि इस तरह की आइसक्रीम बन भी सकती है।
राइट।
साथ में बिजनेस मॉडल है, फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मॉडल है, होरिका का मॉडल है, मतलब ऑनलाइन में अवेलेबल है। वो सारा कुछ तो साथ में चलता ही रहता है।
चलता ही रहता है बिल्कुल।
बट वी आर रेडी फॉर द एक्सपोर्ट्स आल्सो।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
that's
तो हम बहुत जल्दी ही सऊदी अरेबिया और दुबई के अंदर अपनी फ्रेंचाइज ओपन करने वाले हैं।
ओह,
हनी
दैट्स
मैन की।
वेरी नाइस। सो इनका काफ़ी अच्छा और फास्ट ग्रोइंग मॉडल है। इनके प्रोडक्ट्स देखते हैं हनी के। सो दिस इज़ ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट हनी, मल्टी फ्लावर हनी, वाइल्ड हनी, ऐसे आपको काफ़ी सारे दिख जाएंगे। शिलाजीत हनी, साइडर हनी, जिनसेंग हनी, और यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने सॉसेज रखी हैं। देन पैनकेक सिरप, इस सब में हनी डला हुआ है। सॉसेज रखी है, ये पेरी पेरी सॉस, बारबेक्यू सॉस, स्वीट चिली सॉस, इन सब में हनी यूज़ हुआ है इंस्टेड ऑफ शुगर। तो आपको कहीं पे भी गिल्ट फ्री नहीं फील करने की ज़रूरत। अकेशिया हनी, सो इन्होंने यहाँ पे ये भी रखे हुए हैं जैसे मसालाज हैं। सो दिस इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग हियर एंड दे हैव दीज पॉपकॉर्न पैकेट्स एंड दीज आर ऑल्सो मसालाज। इंस्टेंट मीठी चटनी मसाला, आलू मसाला, रेड चिली पाउडर्स, चिकन मसाला एंड कसूरी मेथी। इनकी काफ़ी सारी है चीज़ें। और ये भी हनी है, जैसे डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स इन्होंने हनी के रखे हैं। ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट हनी, हनी तुलसी और साइडर हनी, आमला विद हनी। तो आप इनके साथ इन केस यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स B2C तो आप इनसे ले सकते हो, और अगर आपने B2B करना है तो आप इनके साथ डीलिंग के लिए भी बात कर सकते हो। और यहाँ पे ये आइसक्रीम्स आप देख सकते हो। दीज आर ऑल डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम जो हनी बेस्ड आइसक्रीम्स हैं। और आई थिंक आई विल टेस्ट वन। आपको बताती हूँ कैसा हनी आइसक्रीम का टेस्ट होता है, बिकॉज हम रेगुलर आइसक्रीम्स तो खाते रहते हैं।
Strawberry, we have Kashmiri Gulkand, we have American nuts, we have chocolate, we have butterscotch. सारे flavors हैं, पान है साढ़े कोल. This is only 10% of the flavors that we have right now over here.
अच्छा.
Because in space
Right.
नहीं है साढ़े कोल. But we have about 30 to 50 flavors.
Flavors.
Every day नए flavors आते हैं. We keep doing R&D in our
Wow.
manufacturing plant and yeah, कर ही जा रहे हैं बस.
Very nice. Which is the best selling?
Best selling, I would say, let's try American nuts.
Okay, sure. ट्राई करते हैं अमेरिकन नट्स आइसक्रीम विद हनी इन इट। लेट्स सी कैसा टेस्ट आता है। शुगर नहीं है इनमें, 100% शुगर फ्री आइसक्रीम्स विद हनी।
हेलो जी.
ओके, आई विल टेक
ये सब
दिस।
तुझे मैं 2-3 और ट्राई करा देना, then you can tell me which one you want in a cup.
वाओ, डिफरेंस तो हैगा ही नहीं है हनी ਦਾ ਤੇ शुगर ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ।
वही था साडा, because our main goal was कि not a lot of people, कि everyone has कि भाई ये हनी होएगा पता नहीं कितना टेस्ट होगा. That's why we have made sure कि whatever ice cream that we have prepared, it has a similar flavor
Right.
to what they have been,
Eating from the beginning.
from the childhood and everything.
Right.
That's why we have made the flavor same. Plus, we are giving them a healthier alternative
Right, that's true.
by replacing refined
Right.
sugar.
So let me taste the pan flavor ice cream.
Of course.
तो एक और करते हैं और इसका भी मैं आपको बताती हूँ। डिफरेंट, काफ़ी अच्छी सेम टेस्ट है। इट्स वेरी नाइस। और आई जस्ट टुक आउट अनदर बाइट बिकॉज आई नो दिस इज गिल्ट फ्री ऑप्शन। सो ये रहा पान फ्लेवर। लेट मी टेस्ट दिस एंड टेल यू। वाओ, अमेजिंग, समथिंग यू शुड डेफिनेटली कम एंड ट्राई। इधर आके ट्राई कर सकते हो, आ जाओ। And you can place your orders right now for the B2B segment that you have. नहीं तो आप इनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो। I'll share the details. So आप completely इसको B2B रखा हुआ है या B2C भी है?
We are into franchise models as well. So जो हमारे franchise models हैं, हमने बहुत ही customizable रखा है उसको. We have cafeteria model जो कि पूरा full-fledged cafeteria which starts from 300 square feet to it can go up to 2000 square feet as well.
Okay.
Then after that comes the food truck model. After that comes the indoor and outdoor kiosk, which आप malls के अंदर, malls के बाहर लगा सकते हो.
Right,
And
right.
then the last one would be the cart model.
Cart model.
So
Okay.
it all depends on what the जिसने franchise लेनी है, what they
Investment.
want, what they are, investment friendly है, franchisee friendly रखा है हमने, ताकि because it's a very unique concept.
Right.
हमने ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि भाई हमने बहुत ज़्यादा इसको एक्सपेंसिव कर देना ताकि if someone wants to actually do something unique, they cannot.
Right.
तो उसलिए हमने
Right.
हर सेगमेंट को ध्यान रखते हुए हमने ये फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल रेडी किए हैं.
तो ये क्या प्राइस होगा आइसक्रीम का?
प्राइस इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 70-75 से शुरू होके इट
Per
कैन गो अप
scoop.
टू पर स्कूप इट कैन गो अप टू 200.
Okay.
इट डिपेंड्स बिकॉज़ वी हैव क्लासिक आइसक्रीम्स, प्रीमियम एंड एक्सोटिक फ्लेवर्स.
Okay.
So we have 3 different
Nice,
segments.
nice. So do connect with them for such wonderful ice cream shakes and honey. Right. Okay. So this is Mr. Yuvraj, and you can connect with him at 91042 00025, and other numbers and other details are given here. So connect with them for such franchisees, or your franchisee starts from.
The investment, it starts from 3 to 4 lakhs and it can go up to 40 lakhs as well,
40 lakhs.
depending on how big the model
हाँ,
is.
right, right. So do connect with Honeyman. अब हम खड़े हैं मिसेस फूड राइट के स्टॉल पर, और ये है औरंगाबाद से, एंड मिस्टर अश्लेष हमें यहाँ की और डिटेल्स देंगे. एंड दिस कंपनी इज ऑल, इट डील्स इन विद मेयोनेज, मॉकटेल्स, टॉपिंग, क्यूलिनरी सॉसेज, जैम्स, पिकल्स और भी बहुत कुछ. तो इनकी काफ़ी अच्छी, दे हैव अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ वैरायटी ऑफ सिरप्स एंड फूड्स. लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट देम. मिस्टर अश्लेष, हेलो.
Thank you. Thanks for the nice introduction.
थैंक यू.
In fact, you have stolen all my words.
Oh, okay. That was nice.
It's really nice to have you here.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to tell you something about my company,
Right.
which is a part of Radiant Industries Private Limited, a chemical unit based out of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. And this is a food division
Okay.
of Radiant Industries,
All right.
known as Food Right India Private Limited.
Okay.
We have majorly two brands, Mrs. Food Right, which is essentially a retail brand, and Meal Time, which
Okay.
is predominantly a Horeca division.
Right.
We deal from a 1 rupee tomato ketchup sachet
Okay.
to a 550 MRP product,
All right.
which is a
Great,
pickle or
great.
ginger garlic paste or all.
Right.
And
Yeah. Can you
you
show
can
us
have a look
around
at
your
our new
products?
launched range of
Acha.
mocktails and toppings.
Achha, these are the mocktails and
Yeah.
toppings. Let's see. And you've presented them in a very, beautiful way.
Thank
Then
you so
one would actually want to come and try.
In fact, I was about to request you to see.
First, let us see what the products are. So I see here vanilla
This is a
syrup.
wide range of mocktail syrups,
Okay.
and behind that you can have a look at the crushes category also.
Okay, those are the crushes.
The bottom one.
The bottle ones. Okay, the bottom ones.
Yes.
So they have lemon squash and rose sherbet,
This is
pineapple
squashes,
crush.
crushes
These
and
are the-
syrups.
Okay. So khas, they have all the varieties, good varieties. And these are the syrups: green apple, cucumber, vanilla, and cinnamon, blue. Okay, blue curacao and more strawberry. So a lot of bottles are here. And this is masala lemonade. So this is actually, and this is to be had directly, or we have to mix it.
It
with
is
the-
mixed. Yeah, you
This
have
is
mix
to
it.
be. So this needs to be mixed with the choice of your drink, and then you can have it just to add the zing of the flavor. So this looks very, very good. And similarly, they have these crushes here.
Yes.
This is
That's a
khash
khash
sherbet.
sherbet.
This is khash sherbet, and they have orange crush, and I see some beautiful fruits also, pineapple and apples, to add the natural flavor to show that this is all there. And let's see more about their products. So what all else do you have? Yeah. So yes, here.
This is what Food Right is better known for.
Okay. So these are sauces. All right, barbecue
We have
sauce.
a very big
Mexican.
range of culinary sauces, so to say,
Okay.
which has a variety of products like pizza pasta sauce, Szechuan sauce, Szechuan chutney,
Acha.
chili garlic dip, and many more.
Many more, right?
And Food Right's identity of mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Okay. So
Added
where
with so
do
many
these?
foods.
Where can we buy these products from?
We are available nationwide. If you are from Delhi, we have a distribution network here in Delhi.
Okay.
Our Delhi managers may assist you in providing.
All
the
right,
best.
all right. So this is, since this is a B2B thing, right? So do the other retailers also, do other companies also take your product and brand them as their own?
No.
No, you haven't.
yet.
You haven't given them the right.
No.
So do you market your own products in your own name?
Yes, we have our own sales team,
Right.
which caters to the nationwide needs.
Right.
And we are available in 22 states in India
Okay.
as on today, and
All
expanding.
right. Oh, that's really nice. And what all online platforms have you listed yourself on?
We are registered on Hyperpure, Reliance Jio,
Okay.
D-Mart,
All right. So
the biggest retail chain of India,
Right, because
and many more.
Right, because people would actually take many products from there. So I can see quite many goods here. Here is the collection of jams, hot fudge sauces, chocolate dressings, butterscotch dressings. So this is something we do not usually find it anywhere in the, locally. Easily नहीं मिलती है ये चीज़ें. And then these are the pickles. ये आपने छोटे sizes भी रखे हुए हैं.
These are called as blister packs.
Which packs?
Blister.
Okay.
This packaging is called as blister packaging.
Blister packs. Okay. So ये छोटी भी इन्होंने
These are
blister
essentially
packets
a requirement in restaurants
In
and star
restaurant,
hotels,
right.
which they use in their breakfast menus.
Right, right. So ये भी है, and then अच्छा, these are the
These are
sauces,
gravies.
the gravies that you have, the
The
ready-made
peculiarity
guava.
of this product is this packaging
Huh.
is a retort packaging.
Okay, what does
It's
that mean?
100% natural.
Okay.
No preservatives at all.
Okay, so the food would not spoil here. Okay, that's a very good thing. और यहाँ पे सारी मेयो कलेक्शन रखी हुई है इन्होंने, काफी अच्छा स्प्रेड है.
And this is the in thing.
Right,
currently.
this is true, very true. ये तो हर जगह चलती है ये चीजें तो. Then these are also some of the mayos, and then these are the ketchups.
Yeah.
काफ़ी अच्छी वैरायटी केचप्स की भी है. सो आगे उधर चलती हूँ और आपको टेस्ट करके बताती हूँ कैसा इनका क्रश. ओके, सो ये है पैशन फ्रूट एंड ओके.
Please have a seat.
वाओ, सो रिफ्रेशिंग. Very nice, not very sweet. Sweet to the point, and it tastes wonderful, and it's very refreshing because it's cold also. तो इसका प्राइस क्या होगा? और ये जो प्राइसेस है ये तो आप B2B प्राइसेस में ही बल्क के
The
अकॉर्डिंगली
B2B prices would be different.
they'll be different. Okay, but otherwise इसका प्राइस क्या होगा? The MRP is 315. Okay, so the MRP is 315. और अगर आप B2B डील करेंगे इनके साथ तो प्राइसेस ऐसे डिफरेंट होंगे. So similarly, there's a wide range of products जो आपने अभी देखे, सबके प्राइसेस वेरी करेंगे. You can connect with Mr. Ashlesh to know more about the prices and to take their products on a bulk basis. So can you just share your details? So ये Mr. Ashlesh हैं, and Ashlesh Korad, and his number is 9923738928. And these are the other details on the card. Do contact him for purchasing Mrs. Food Right products. So now we are standing at Jivo Canola stall. और Jivo Canola के बारे में सबको पता है. Their products are widespread and they are available everywhere. So Jivo as a brand is from Himachal Pradesh, and they have their roots from Baru Sahib. So Baru Sahib ki, they have a big many schools, operating there, universities and drug addiction centers, rehabilitation centers. They have a lot. So let's know more about them from Mr.
Yeah, Anil Sharma.
Mr. Anil. So Anil ji, what is Jivo Canola all about?
See, Jivo Canola, first of all, canola is a completely different seed from what exists. Now, canola seed is now becoming very, very popular across the world. It is supposed to be, one of the very safest oils for cook and as good as a cooking medium.
Right.
We've done extremely well in the last few years. We've gotten this into the country, and we imported from Canada, and we brought it over here, and this is being used on quite a large number of households now.
All right.
Most of the households, especially the one who runs the kitchen, they find it to be very, very effective in their food.
Right.
So that's what.
Right. And what all products do you have apart from oil?
Yeah. Apart from oil, we also have the olive oil.
Right.
Apart from olive oil, we also have this, wheatgrass. Now, wheatgrass again is a very, very healthy concept.
Right.
Okay. Now, this is again something we have pioneered. Like we have pioneered the what we call canola. Similarly, we have also pioneered the wheatgrass. Nobody in the country currently has wheatgrass drink, within
Right,
the country.
right.
Now, it's supposed to be very, very healthy.
Right.
Now, to be able to have wheatgrass as such is very, very difficult. So unless and until you blend it with something else,
Right.
when it's not even palatable. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to bring in wheatgrass along with other stuff, and largely sugar free.
Okay.
So that the health value is retained.
Right.
The value is very well retained.
Very nice. And I really like the concept of, these boys playing shabad and playing the traditional music instruments here on top of the products. So this is just to reiterate
Absolutely. The
the
cultural
attachment
value.
to Sikhism.
Yeah, and the cultural value.
Cultural
I think this goes along with us, and therefore we wanted to have it over here to be able to reach it to people.
Right.
Another very, very important, it also differentiates with us with rest
Other
of the
brands.
world.
Right. And you're even trying to show, this is what I think, that you're even trying to show that, we are we retain our Sikhism values, and we take it back all to Sikhism there only. That's very nice. So can we just see the products here?
Please buy not?
So इनका काफ़ी कुछ है इनके पास products and wheatgrass की काफ़ी products है जो टेस्टी हमें नहीं लगते हैं and they are very good in health. Nutritional value उनका बहुत अच्छा होता है. So ये रहे सारे products. Let's see them around.
Yeah, this is the range of the oils that we have.
These are the oils, right?
Yeah, the
olive oils.
We have all the
Coconut
three,
oils.
which is generally used. Like for example, we have extra virgin. We have what you call the basic oil also.
Okay.
So
Okay, for maize, olive oil. And then you have these seeds also, flax seeds.
yeah, we also
Pumpkin
market that largely on the this is all available on the e-commerce site.
Right. And where all I'm sorry to disturb you or to intervene. Where all online platforms are you listed?
Yeah, this is there on Amazon. There's on Snapdeal. Most of the platforms are being used.
Okay, all right. So these are the. Acha, this is the wheatgrass drink you were talking about.
Yeah, this is like for example, this particularly is ginger ale.
Ginger ale. Okay.
Yeah, this is wheatgrass. So we have a range of wheatgrass, and most of them are zero sugar.
Oh, zero sugar. And this is a ginger ale, healthy wheatgrass. Okay.
And this is into various flavors. We also have cola.
Cola.
And again, it's a safer thing to have.
Okay, so cola also with wheatgrass. Acha, you mix them merge them with different flavors. So cola, healthy cola wheatgrass. Okay, then they have mueslis and makki ka atta and then rosemary leaves, honey, cardamoms, काफी कुछ है. Coffee भी है इनके पास. And here we see some oil, soya bean oil. Basmati rice. Acha, you're into rice also. All the stalls are.
I think we're trying to take a larger share of the kitchen.
Right. Very true. Very true. So यहाँ पे और coconut oils भी दिख रहे हैं. Avocado oil, grapeseed oils, and then they have ghees. काफी कुछ है इनके पास. You can just check out their collection here. इन्होंने water में भी है. Mineral water में भी इन्होंने venture किया है. And these are more details, and you can just check out these boys playing the kirtan here, the musical instruments here actually. This is very soothing and this takes us back to Baro Sahib कि हम उनके साथ connected है और जैसी soothing vibes वहाँ से आती है वो यही vibes यहाँ पे spread कर रहे हैं. So this is the card and you can connect for all the bulk purchases. You can connect with Miss Archie at 9910557187 और बाकी details भी card में mentioned है. So why have you put up this stall here?
The reason we have put it over here is because in this what do you call environment, you have a lot of people who are traveling across. When you have people coming in from all states.
Right.
I think the prime idea is to make people aware of the product that we have,
Right.
or the products that we have.
Right.
Plus, it's also a good occasion for us to be able to sample, Jivo.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
It's an opportunity.
Right. And the best thing about Jivo Canola is that whatever money they make from here, it all is spent on a good cause. It all goes for a good cause. So they spend it on education that they have schools and universities there. It's all used there. So the money, everything goes there. Whatever is generated here is spent there. So that's the good cause. And let's motivate them, buy products to encourage them and to get them to let them spend more for a good cause. So अब हम खड़े हैं Dairy Craft पर and this is a Delhi company and they have a widespread variety of cheese. So be it pizza cheese or cream cheese और भी बहुत कुछ. Let's know more about all this from Miss Nidhi.
Yeah.
So hello.
Hello.
So क्या है Dairy Craft?
So Dairy Craft started more than 30 years ago and we deal in more than 35 varieties of cheese.
Okay.
Desi ghee, butter, salted,
Achha.
unsalted.
Okay.
So the main behind for our managing director, the founder of the company, Mr. Vijay Juneja, is to do something new, something innovative.
Right.
So if you ask, we do not have milk. Why we do not have milk? Because every other company has milk.
Right.
So he wanted to do something new. So
he ventured only into
it was
cheese.
Yes. So it was his personal interest. So he started with cheese.
What about your cheese? ये कौन से cheese है? Varieties of cheese.
So we have cheese, pizza cheese. We have.
Can you
cheese
show
for
us
baking.
around?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
So if we see, so this is our retail cheese, we can say. So we have here butter,
Okay.
the cheese slices range. So we have specific smoked cheese.
Okay.
So something which will give you a smoky flavor.
Right.
So any restaurant or pizza chain, they don't have wood fire oven license.
Right.
They can use a smoked cheese,
Okay.
which will give them a smoky aroma.
Right.
It's smart. So we have fingers. you know, we
Wow.
have these cheese,
Mozzarella picks
yeah,
like
cheese
this.
fillers we can have the around the pizza.
Right.
So that's you get a not just a crust,
Right.
which people usually leave.
Yes,
so you
yes,
can have
yes.
cheese.
Wow.
Cheese there as well.
Great.
So these are, and then this is our fresh cheese range.
Okay.
You can use it on pizza, pasta, salads.
right.
You can have them just like a table cheese as well.
Right.
So these are freshly fresh pizza cheese and no added preservatives.
Okay.
So and we have a range of slices as well here.
Yeah, these are the
Yeah,
slices.
Yeah, in different
Cheese slice,
yeah,
herbs and
cheese slices.
spices, plain, garlic.
And, so one of our major, most selling products is John Pizza Cheese range, which you
Okay.
see. This is one of our premium products.
All right.
And we have a variety range of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cheese pizza.
Okay.
So in these you can get, I mean, in one cheese you only get mozzarella.
Right.
2 we add cheddar. 3 we add Gouda cheese.
Right.
4 we add Scamorza. 5
Right.
we add Monterey. So you know, people who enjoy cheese and who wants to have a flavors.
Wow.
So this is something which is a very premium product and a very
Right.
best selling.
And available at one place.
Yes, available at one place, and they are in diced form, so
Right.
very quick and easy to use.
Right,
And
right.
then when we have nacho sauce, cheese
Uh-huh.
sauce.
Okay.
So this is 100% cheese
Okay.
and cheese sauce, and there's no added sugar, no added starch, no added vegetable oil.
Okay.
Yeah. So
What is this?
so this is bocconcini. I mean,
Okay.
this is a very fresh mozzarella, very rich in calcium and protein.
Uh-huh.
And you can, I mean, if for any mother, kid is having tantrums and drinking milk, you can easily give them these balls.
Okay.
Yeah, they're very rich in calcium and protein.
Wow.
So
this
you
is
can
good.
replace them with milk.
Right.
So here we have a cream cheese. I mean, cheese is a
Yes, as we all know
you
about
see,
cream
best
cheese.
the bagel is a very common product which goes with
Right,
cream cheese.
right.
So you can use them in cheesecakes, bagel, on a toast.
Uh-huh.
So this year we have introduced some flavors, mango, strawberry, honey walnut and chocolate. This is our new range.
All right.
So earlier we used to have a cream cheese plain.
Uh-huh.
So this year we have this new range.
So you have, these are your the on the, you know, the retail
yeah,
products.
we are present on Modern Bazaar, Nature Basket, Limash, all over India. We are on Blinkit, Zepto, Amazon.
Okay.
Coming soon on Flipkart Minutes.
Very
So,
nice.
yeah, so-
And what about the B2B segment that you cater to?
So we have a big, Jamie Oliver's is one of our major customers, Haldiram, Om Sweets, Bikaner Wala,
Awesome.
and across the stall we have Nomad Pizza. They have partnered with us this time.
Okay.
So they are a big buyer of our John cheese, big fan and big buyer. So they have
That's
partnered with
really
us this
nice.
year.
So what about the B2B clients? You know, if they get to you, they come to you, do you have any special offer for them?
So it's B2B clients. It's like, I mean, depending on the demands they have, depending on the quantity. So yeah, we do deliver in all over India, pan India. We have a presence, and depending on the demand, the prices are determined.
So why did you put up your stall here?
So it's been more than 20 years that we have been participating in AHAR, and we find that dealing with customers directly, face to face, meeting them is something which makes our founders and entire team very happy, and it gives that personal touch when you're meeting your customers,
Right.
rather having a phone call,
Right,
or
right.
if they're buying your product in retail.
Makes a difference.
Yeah, it does make a difference. So,
Right.
we I mean, it's been more than 20 years now. We are putting up a stall here, and
Uh-huh.
every time in AHAR, we bring up our new variants. New, so
Right,
this
right.
time,
This time
we
it's
have,
the flavors
we have
of
quite a
green
variety in different cheese that we are coming up.
Right.
So you know, introducing a new product is also a very good way
Right.
for participating in AHAR, and
And to
people can
create
come
the
and try.
awareness.
Yeah,
Right.
awareness. They can come and try, and you know,
Oh,
real hand.
great. True, true. So do come and purchase the products, and you can connect with Miss Nidhi at 9811205820 और बाकी डिटेल्स कार्ड पे हैं. तो आप सारी अपनी चीज़ की जो यू नो डिमांड है आप यहाँ से पूरी कर सकते हो. सो डू कनेक्ट एट दिस नंबर. सो अब हम खड़े हैं अलाना के ब्रांड पे, एंड दिस ब्रांड इज न्यू टू मी. सो लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट देम फ्रॉम मिस्टर
Nakib.
Mr. Nakib.
Nakib Dakwe.
All right. So, Mr. Nakib, what is Alana, the brand?
So Alana, the company is 160-year-old company.
Okay.
We are the largest exporter from India.
Acha, exported.
Yeah, we are the meat exporters from India.
Right.
Okay. And under Alana, Home Meat Company is a domestic division.
Okay.
We serve to all the domestic need of India.
All right.
Where we deal into mutton. We have buffalo meat.
Uh-huh.
And also currently we have introduced a new product, Australian meat.
Okay.
Okay, it's imported Australian meat, which is currently into the range. And other products we have Steakhouse. Then we also have ready to cook snacks under the brand name Safa.
Safa, okay.
Okay. And also we have also introduced another chilled meat product,
Okay.
which we call Safa vacuum packed chilled meat.
Okay.
It's India's first chilled meat product, which has a shelf life of 45 days.
45 days, okay. So, chill meat is just the increased shelf life.
Both verticals are different. So it's frozen and chilled.
Okay.
Frozen has a bigger shelf life,
Okay.
whereas chilled has a lesser shelf life.
Acha.
Yeah.
And what's the difference between both of them?
Mostly it's of the shelf life.
Shelf life,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So, can you show us around the products that you have
Sure,
here?
sure.
Let's
You can come
go.
this side.
Yeah. So let's see इनके पास क्या क्या products हैं meat के. And this they have a freezer here. देखते हैं क्या क्या है इनके पास collection. And so you basically deal in exporting the products.
The company, as a company, the major business of export.
Okay.
Mumbai Meat Company is a parent division.
Okay.
It's a sister concern of Alana, where we deal into domestic.
Okay.
Domestic
All
market.
right. All right.
Okay. And this,
Okay,
all
so
the
this
products
is-
are there, which we serve to the domestic market.
Right.
So, starting with this mutton range.
Okay.
So we have boneless cubes,
All right.
curry cut,
Okay. Curry cut. All right.
and then we have mutton mince.
All right.
Okay.
Minced mutton. काफी कुछ है इनके पास. Then you have these steaks.
We have steaks.
Right. And these must be the mutton balls and sausages.
This are the ready to cook. This is the burger patty.
Okay.
Seekh kebab is there.
Right.
Okay.
So what makes your products different from other products like Meatza and others?
See, I would say the biggest thing would be the meat content.
Okay.
So the meat content in our burger patty versus any of the other brands. So you can taste it and you can see the difference in it.
All
I
right.
haven't committed from my end, but you should surely definitely
Okay.
taste the products.
Right. So आपका B2B ज़्यादा है या B2C ज़्यादा है?
B2B ज़्यादा है. Currently we are supplying to all the top 5-star properties,
Hotels.
the hotels, restaurants,
Right.
QSRs.
Okay. Right. So इनके पास सारे आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे मटन के products. You can get them from here. और आपने यहाँ पे stall किस लिए लगाया है? For brand awareness?
Not exactly about the brand awareness. Alana is a company everyone knows. It's a 160-year-old company.
Right.
Okay. But under Alana Mumbai Meat Company, it's a 3-year-old company.
Right.
Okay.
Because तभी इसके बारे में नहीं पता.
So for the domestic market, so it's like people know about the company. That there's some player in the market who supply
Right.
domestically the
And to
frozen
look
meat.
out for new dealers and
Right,
distributors. All right.
So the basic objective is like to connect
With
our
people.
existing clients plus whatever the new clientele come across. over.
Right, right. So आप इनसे connect कर सकते हो for all your bulk purchases of meat products. Thank you so much. So this is Alana and Mumbai Meat Company is Indian company. So you can connect with them at 1800-228870 और बाकी details भी कार पे given है. So for all your bulk purchases of meat products, do connect with them. So ये जो exhibition है, ये काफ़ी बड़ी exhibition लगी है, spread across the entire प्रगति मैदान. आपको सारे halls में कुछ मिलेगा, different चीज़ें मिलेंगी. So this hall, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 to 5 जो हैं, ये सारे products से related है, जिसमें आपको सब कुछ खाने पीने का मिल जाएगा. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आए हुए हैं जिन्होंने स्टॉल लगाए हैं, जैसे वीबा, अमूल एंड टाटा. आप मेरे पीछे अमूल का स्टॉल देख सकते हो. सो आप आके कितने लोगों से इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो. डू प्लान टू विजिट हियर इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम दिस इंडस्ट्री. और आपको यहाँ पे डील्स भी काफ़ी अच्छी मिल जाएगी. सो कम टू लर्न. सो अब हम खड़े हैं LQI पे एंड दिस इज़ स्टॉल विच हैज़ प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर द नेचुरल बेवरेज सॉल्यूशंस. सो जानते हैं इनके बारे में और फ्रॉम मिस्टर
Shubham.
Shubham. So what is LQI? क्योंकि
LQI stands for Life Quality Index.
Okay.
So we make products which are absolutely fresh,
Right.
with no added color, no flavor, no preservatives.
All right.
We सारे products portioned आते हैं.
हाँ जी.
कोई added color नहीं होता, कोई flavor नहीं है, कोई preservative नहीं है. तो सबसे important बात है, जैसे मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि लेमनेड्स हैं, स्मूदीज़ हैं.
Oh.
तो अब क्या होता है कि अगर आप एक रेस्टोरेंट चला रहे हैं और रेस्टोरेंट में आप फ्लेवर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कलर कर रहे हैं, सिरप यूज़ कर रहे हैं,
Right.
तो आज का कस्टमर अगर आपसे 200 रुपए का या 180 रुपए का या 150 रुपए का शेक पीता है,
हाँ.
तो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाती है कि आप अगर उसको एक प्रोडक्ट देते हैं, अगर आप सिरप डाल के बनाओगे तो वो कहीं से भी पी सकता है और आपकी यूनिकनेस ख़त्म हो जाती है।
राइट,
तो वो यूनिकनेस मेंटेन करके एंड कैसे फ्रेश फ्रूट को हम आपके लिए आसान बना सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमने प्रोडक्ट को एक पोर्शन करा है।
ओके,
पैकेट साइज्ड है, आप बस उसको काटोगे, उसमें दूध डालोगे, ब्लेंड करके आप दे दोगे। तो
Okay.
कंसिस्टेंट है, तो अगर आपके एक आउटलेट है, 10 आउटलेट है, 100 आउटलेट है, तो प्रोडक्ट बिल्कुल कंसिस्टेंट बनेगा।
Consistent
तो
बनेगा।
इसमें स्मूदीज हैं, मिल्क शेक हैं, लेमनेड हैं,
Right.
जूसेस हैं।
Oh.
देन हमने वी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड फ्रोजन पल्प्स,
Okay.
फ्रोजन
Cut fruits.
फॉर कट फ्रूट्स फॉर आपके सारे जितने भी आइसक्रीम मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं उनके लिए और जिलाटो
ओके, वाओ। सो आपके क्लाइंट्स कौन-कौन हैं?
सो हम काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड्स के साथ काम करते हैं, जैसे
अच्छा, जैसे ये
जोमैटो,
है?
हाइपर प्योर,
ओके,
देन ब्लू टुकाई, थर्ड वेव कॉफ़ी, चिलीज, नैंडोज।
हाँ। और आपसे ज़्यादातर B2B डीलिंग
हम
होती है?
सिर्फ B2B अभी करते हैं।
Okay.
वी आर बेस्ड इन दिल्ली बट वी ऑपरेट इन 16 cities. We also export to Middle East.
अच्छा,
We just started and then hopefully very soon to Japan.
ऑलराइट, ग्रेट। सो इनके पास काफ़ी सारे कट फ्रूट्स भी मुझे दिख रहे हैं, एंड देन दे हैव दीज the shakes. So you have these pulp, you've made the pulp out of it and then
Yes,
stored
yes.
it.
So we do avocado pulps also. So
Okay.
for healthy restaurant जो avocado
Right.
चाहिए होता है, इनको has avocado वो भी है, halves भी हैं।
Right. So this is something very nice. So and why have you put up this stall here?
So primarily, it's about helping new restaurant owners, new cafe owners, new cloud kitchen owners who
To know
want a
about
very stable solution. कि उनका प्रोडक्ट जो है कंसिस्टेंट बने, प्रोडक्ट पीपल डिपेंडेंट ना बने कि कल को अगर उनका बंदा नहीं आया तो
Right.
वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं बना पाएंगे या प्रोडक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा, उस केस में सारे प्रोडक्ट।
Very nice. और आप क्या कहीं पे लिस्टेड हैं ऑनलाइन या फिर आप?
सो हम जोमेटो के साथ काम करते हैं, देन वी हैव आवर ओन वेबसाइट और यू कैन डायरेक्टली रीच आउट टू अस ऑन आवर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर।
Okay.
वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स इन ऑल मेजर सिटीज and then we operate with all the largest of the brands.
Right, right. Can I have your card to share the details here with our audience? So thank you. So this is Mr. Shubham Khanna and he's the sales head. His number is 95606 12215 और बाकी details भी card पे mentioned है. So connect with them for such wonderful and healthy beverage solution. So अब हम खड़े हैं गुजरात based company Kekri पे and they have some tasty and healthy products here. So I can see thepla and some natural crunchy bites. Okay, different flavors of crunchy bites. So let's know more about them from Miss.
Hello, my name is Khushi.
Okay, so Khushi ji, what is Kekri all about?
So Kekri is all about fun, healthy and hygienic food actually.
जो नहीं मिलता easily हर
So
जगह.
that's not easily available. If you look for quality, it's very hard to find in India nowadays. But as the consumer segment is moving towards a little
Healthy.
healthy eating,
Right.
we have actually introduced multigrain bites.
Okay.
So they have no maida. It's made out of wheat flour and multigrain flour.
Okay.
It's baked, not fried.
All
So
right.
you don't have to worry about it. It's a
All right.
healthier alternative to snacking.
Right.
So it's a guilt-free snacking segment. Goes well with everything. You're
Right.
watching a movie. You're having a drink. It's perfect snack for midnight actually.
Very nice.
So you can look
Okay.
at our range.
Right. So क्या क्या है आपके पास flavors?
So our fan favorite is actually garlic multigrain bites
Okay.
and cheese tomato bites.
Okay.
We also have mint masti, peri peri, Szechuan, cream and onion.
Wow.
And normal baby bites.
Okay. Alright. So this is all guilt free. इसमें मैदा नहीं है और
इसमें
कुछ भी
मैदा नहीं है, ये फ्राइड नहीं है, ये बेक्ड है.
नाइस. और यहाँ पे ये थेपलास भी दिख रहे हैं मुझे. सो मेथी थेपला. ओके, व्हाट, बताओ क्या है ये?
So हर एक गुजराती के हाथ में थेपला होता है.
Right.
Wherever we go, thepla goes
Goes
with
with
us.
Right.
So this was started, I think, around 5 to 6 years back.
Okay.
And so this is our packaging.
Okay.
This one has vacuum packed. This has 3 months shelf life. So people like me who
Wow.
studying abroad, this is a lifesaver.
True, true.
Because people like me who hates cooking, you just take it out, heat
Eat
it and
and-
eat it. This
Right.
is like a lifesaver, trust me.
True, true.
We have different packaging for this as well. For Horeca supply, bulk packaging,
Okay.
everything's available.
Right.
These are for little kids who love to take something new to school every day.
Wow.
And for mothers, it's really difficult to think what to give their child, and this is like a गिल्ट फ्री सोचे बिना आप दे सकते हो, क्योंकि ये हेल्दी है, इसमें मैदा नहीं है।
राइट
So,
राइट, और
this
ये भी
is-
बेक्ड है।
आई मीन ऑयल यूज होता है इसको रोस्ट करने के लिए,
Okay,
बट
okay.
दिस इज हेल्दियर
Roasted.
देन एनी ब्रेड
Right,
अल्टरनेटिव दैट यू कैन
right.
गिव योर किड इन अ टिफिन।
राइट, ओह दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर ऑल द मदर्स, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। और ये डिफरेंट पैकेजिंग है ऑफ द सेम थिंग।
यस,
ओके, ये होरेका के लिए होगा।
हाँ, होरेका के लिए हमारे पास ये वाला पैकेजिंग है, इसमें अलग क्वांटिटी पीस भी हम कर सकते हैं। दिस इज
Okay.
वैक्यूम पैकेज एज वेल।
Alright.
इसमें हमारे पास और अलग पैकेजिंग ऑप्शन है, जैसे एमएपी पैकिंग है और जो भी क्वांटिटी वगैरह में चाहिए, ये हमारा वैक्यूम पैक है।
ओके,
सो लाइक दिस सेम
राइट राइट राइट, ओके। सो आपका ज़्यादातर B2B होता है सेल या फिर B2C है?
अभी तो हमारा B2B और B2C दोनों में चल रहा है। We directly sell it as our brand as well, and
Okay.
private labeling is also available with us.
Okay, okay, that's really nice. So people, you can get in touch with them to market your own product, take their brand and take their things and market as your own under your own label. और क्या special है केकरी के बारे में? What all products do you have at home?
So we also have rusk, different type of rusk. We have cookies, a lot of variety, especially the multigrain variety like honey, oats, gur, bajra. So it doesn't have any gluten. It's just made from pure bajra and gur. Coconut cookies that doesn't have any maida. It's
Wow.
how do you say falhar friendly. So we have a lot of healthier alternatives for that as well. We have kharis. We have a lot of other bakery products as well. But हम
Okay.
exhibition में ये दोनों चीज़ पे mainly focus कर रहे
Because
हैं।
these are your newly launched things.
न्यूली लॉन्च थिंग्स, एंड आई थिंक इसका मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा गैप है मार्केट में अभी इन
Right.
दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए।
Right.
सो हाँ, वी ऑल्सो हैव सिमिलर टू मेथी थेपला, वी हैव जीरा पराठा। सो आई थिंक दूसरी कंपनीज बनाती है, पर कोई जीरा पराठा नहीं बनाता
Right,
दैट इज
right.
एज हेल्दी एज दिस, क्योंकि खाने में इतना फ्रेंडली
खाने
है, आपको
में-
बनाने नहीं पड़ रहा, यू जस्ट टेक इट आउट ऑफ द पैकेट एंड ईट इट डायरेक्टली आल्सो, इट्स परफेक्ट।
Right, right. That's really nice. So, जो आपके products है, अगर किसी ने लेने हैं, कैसे लेगा? What are you listed online?
So you can contact us directly, you can email us, or you can call us and we'll get in touch with you. We can
Alright.
discuss the price, we can discuss how you want your packaging to be done, or what MOQ we
So you
can set.
do the branding also?
Yes, we can do it for them, and we can discuss that further. That's not an issue. Not an
Okay.
issue at all.
So then no MOQ as such, a fixed MOQ.
There is a fixed MOQ, but it would vary depending on what product you want or how much quantity you
Right.
want, what packaging you want.
Right.
Certainly for Thepla, I think what packaging you want, MOQ can be set on base of that.
That's nice. So can I have your card to
Sure.
share the details with my audience?
This is our card.
Right. So Shiva Orchids Private Limited is the company, और आप इनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो मिस्टर केतन भरानिया से एंड मिस्टर कृष्णा भरानिया से at 7433828384, और इनकी email ID और एड्रेस भी यहाँ पे लिखा है, गिवन है. So connect with them for these beautiful purchases. So अब हम खड़े हैं बनाको ओवरसीज के स्टॉल पर, जिनका ब्रांड है Popcorn, and it's all about popcorn. You'll get all solutions of making popcorns and selling it and giving it for B2B or B2C line. So let's know more about this entire thing from Mr.
विनोद कांसल।
विनोद। विनोद जी, क्या है Popcorn?
Popcorn actually हमारी कंपनी है बनाको। बनाको is the main brand that
Right.
we are doing from last say 25 years old company.
अच्छा.
We started with the cinemas.
Okay.
We are basically catering to all big cinema chains in India
Right.
from 1998.
अच्छा.
We are doing all machines like popcorn machines, warmer,
Okay.
nacho warmers, hot dogs and whatever.
Okay.
Whatever you find in the cinema concession, that all we do.
Okay.
Then we supply them raw material. In the raw material, we do mainly popcorn.
Okay.
In that, we give them raw corn, then all flavors, all seasonings, and popcorn tubs.
Okay.
Then carry trays and
Right.
all that stuff.
Okay.
And we are doing more than we have done, I think, more than 2,500 cinemas till date.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we have started our own retail products.
अच्छा.
Retail product for the retail market.
Right.
This is again related to popcorn only.
Right.
So this is cooker popcorn.
Cooker popcorn.
Yeah, it's called instant popcorn. It is to make popcorn at home
Right.
in a cooker.
Right.
So it comes in different 4-5 flavors: natural,
Right.
buttery, tomato, peri peri,
Right,
cheese.
right.
Like
Yeah,
this is
काफी
golden
सारे,
buttery.
this is golden buttery,
Then this
peri
is peri
peri,
peri, cheese,
tangy tomato.
and that.
Right.
And this is microwave popcorn,
Okay.
where you can make popcorn at home in a microwave.
And they'll pop up in this bag.
Yeah, it will pop up in the bag.
Okay.
It
And
also come in different flavors.
वही same flavors आपने इसमें भी रखे हुए हैं. Right.
Same flavors it will give. And this is ready to eat. It's
Okay.
already popped and
अच्छा, flavored.
yeah, it's all. It comes in different fancy packagings.
Okay.
Like tins are there.
Right.
We have nutty, chocolate,
Right.
caramel,
So ये आपने
toffee.
B2C के लिए ही रखा है, right?
This is for consumers.
Consumers. So इसका price है,
Yeah. It comes 225 to 250 rupees.
right, 250 rupees का ये box है. And तो आपके products कहाँ पे मिल सकते हैं?
It is available we are basically targeting Delhi NCR at the moment.
Okay.
So we have more than 1500 outlets now.
अच्छा.
General trade outlets
Okay.
in Delhi.
अच्छा. मतलब कहाँ पे होंगे outlets? कैसे? Have you collaborated with other markets, supermarkets?
Supermarkets also है जैसे Quality Bazaar, Manish Agencies,
हाँ.
and new shops like 24/7 new
अच्छा.
shops हैं.
Okay.
फिर जनरल ट्रेड में बेकरी शॉप्स ये
अच्छा, ये
मतलब we
सारे
are in
stores में आपके
Noida, yeah,
पास.
Noida, Delhi NCR.
Right.
We are a approx 2 years old company in retail products.
Retail products.
So, but we are getting very good response.
That's
So, day by day
great.
we are picking up.
और ये आपने रखा है for the
ये gift packs
gift
हैं.
packs.
Yeah, gift packs
Gourmet
हैं. This is just
popcorns.
to वही ready to eat के gift packs हैं like
Okay,
this.
all right.
Yeah, you have all different flavors. in it.
Right. Okay, and these are the seasonings I see.
These are the different seasonings we do. We supply to cinemas.
Okay.
As well as we have come with the retail packs where the
Okay.
customers can also use
They
this type of
use this.
sachets. Like
Okay.
make popcorn at home, just use it.
Use
for-
it. Oh, that's
You can
really
make-
nice. घर पे popcorn flavors वाले बनाने बहुत easy हो गए अब. So just microwave या cooker में बनाए और ये seasoning डाल दी box से निकाल के. Very nice. अच्छा, ये आपने popcorns रखे हुए हैं?
ये raw corn है.
Raw
ये
corn.
that is our main product.
अच्छा.
Which is basically 75% of our work is related to this because
To
say,
this.
it goes to cinemas, it
Right,
goes in
right.
everything.
Everywhere.
It is a raw material for everything.
Right.
And we do all qualities of corn all over the world.
So these are the different qualities of
Yeah,
corn.
this is South Africa, this is US, Brazil, Argentina, and these
Okay.
are Indian qualities.
अच्छा.
Indian
So
qualities.
you export also?
We export to only few like Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka,
Okay.
then Dubai. We
अच्छा.
only nearby countries we are.
all right. Okay. और ये क्या चीज़ है? अच्छा, दलिया.
ये तो some healthy products we have started.
Okay, barley
Just for
sattu.
retail product. We have to add a product range.
हाँ.
So for that we have added few.
All right.
So all healthy things we are adding.
Right. So यहाँ पे आप trays भी देख सकते हो. They have trays. They have these tubs जो हमें दिखते हैं theaters में. So यहाँ पे आपको सारा solution मिल जाएगा. आप इनसे ज़रूर connect करो for your B2B or purchasing the B2C popcorn needs. And you can connect with Miss Meenakshi S. Kumar, and or you can connect with Mr. Anmol Singh also. That's 9303848577. और बाकी डिटेल्स
This
भी
is
इस पे
also one card. You can just
इस पे बाकी भी डिटेल्स इस पे गिवन है. और you can connect with Miss Kusum Sharma at 9971398075 for your popcorn needs. So guys, this was a Heart 2025 जो लगा हुआ है मार्च 4 से 8 तक एट प्रगति मैदान, अक्रॉस प्रगति मैदान सारे स्टॉल्स पे लगा हुआ है, सारे हॉल्स में लगा हुआ है ये. एंड दिस वीव कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो, वीव कवर्ड हॉल नंबर 2 to 5 और यहाँ पे सारे आपको इंडियन ब्रांड्स मिल जाएंगे, टॉप नॉच ब्रांड्स और द अपकमिंग स्टार्टअप ब्रांड्स सारे मिल जाएंगे विच आर इनटू मसाला, स्पाइसेस, रॉ मटेरियल्स, ऑर्गेनिक फूड, ऑयल्स और भी बहुत कुछ. सो इफ़ यू आर इन दिस फूड इंडस्ट्री आपको यहाँ पे आके ज़रूर विजिट करना चाहिए टू नो मोर अबाउट, टू लर्न मोर अबाउट दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड टू इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल. और हमने भी काफ़ियों से इंटरेक्ट करा, सबके नंबर शेयर करें, डू कनेक्ट विद देम and hope you've liked the video. Share this video with your friends and family and we'll see you very soon with new content. Subscribe to our channel Jodi on Camera.